Vlogmas. I'm home on lunch. I'm warming up this Marie Calendar beef and bean chili cornbread thing. These are so good. Like, and I can eat this whole thing. Like, it fills me up. It's just enough. So yeah, I'm home on lunch. Sad news, I'm not gonna be able to get my nails done tomorrow. I can't afford it. Like, trying to do all of this on a week that you don't get paid is like, I mean, trying to make your money stretch. Like, the things that come up, I tell you what, like, you would think the universe don't want me to get my hair done. Like, I'll be like, God damn, like, can I get a break? But I'm still good. I'm still going. The snow, I don't know what's up with the snow, but I'm going regardless. Like, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. The devil, you not finna, you not finna get me. Okay? Okay, I'm going. I just picked up this lavender linen candle from Better Homes and Gardens. I feel like these, I'm just gonna keep fucking with these as opposed to Bath and Body Works. Those Bath and Body Works candles, I didn't even really like the smell of them. They burned hella fast. Tonight when I get home, I'm gonna try to take this off because I got these to put on. I'm not gonna put them on, probably not till like tomorrow night or Wednesday morning before I leave, like right before I go. Just cause especially with the longer I don't have nails on, the less I want them on, so. And then I got the boots. I just got these plain black ones. They lace and they zipper. And these are size 7.5, and these were $20 bucks, $19.99. So. We made it. We fucking made it. I don't want to hear shit about no Walmart for the next 72 hours. Okay? Leave me alone. Thank you. What are you looking at? Mind your business. You're in my business. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's the motto for my fucking birthday week. You're in my business. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, Lord, thank you for another successful day that I was able to complete, because I am healthy and I am strong and I am capable because of you. And I am sorry that I disappoint you repeatedly throughout the day with the things that I think about, because people are stupid. Hey y'all, it's just about 8 o'clock. I've been just kind of hanging out. My landlord has not shown up. I'm kind of pissed because, like, I wanted him to come. I don't know where he's at. He said 7:30, so it's 8 now. I don't know. But I got my gel. I kind of filed it and soaked it off, so it's off my nails, so I can put those press-ons on tomorrow since I can't get my nails done. But I'm just trying to keep my spirits up because this weather forecast has me down and out, and I have people in my ear being naysayers and saying it's not going to happen, and I'm just, I don't know. I'll just try my best to stay positive. Maybe the snow will not be as big of a deal, but like I said, I believe I'm gonna miss driving in it. Like, I'm gonna be there before it starts, so the only thing is I'll be kind of stuck there while it's snowing, but whatever. That's okay. I'm gonna hang out for another few and wait for him, and then I'm gonna text him and see if he's coming, because, like, otherwise I can, like, relax. Like, you know how, like, you're waiting for something and you can't really, like, settle because you think you want to hear a knock on the door, and I'm like, I don't want to be caught off guard. Like, are you coming or not? But other than that, I'm not really doing anything else the rest of the night. I am gonna put this mask on tonight. This you leave on for 10 minutes, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna clean my lashes just a little bit. They're not crusty at all. They actually still look amazing. I'm so excited that they still look so good. I still have that conditioner in my hair, so I don't know what to do, because I don't know if I should wait and, like, is she gonna email me like, this is how I want you to come, like, your hair needs to be clean? Like, I don't know. So maybe I'll get something tomorrow, we'll see. But I do want to rinse it out, but if she's gonna rewash it, you know, like I could just throw a scarf on to get there and then, you know, but anyway, I'm gonna go hang out. Maybe he'll show up in the next 10 minutes or so. I don't know. Vlogmas. Oh my god. Vlogmas day 15. We in this bitch. Half the month has passed us already. It's Tuesday, December 15th, which means tomorrow is my birthday, and tomorrow I get my hair done. And I woke up to the sun shining. Doesn't give us any indication that there's a fucking blizzard coming tomorrow, but supposedly there is. So I am adamantly, like, I am trying to pray this storm away. Like, gone, sir, gone, or sis, whoever you is, move along to somewhere else, please. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah, I don't know. The weather is, you know, I mean, you know how those things go. It could be exactly what they say. It could be worse. It could be not as bad. Whatever. So, anyway, I'm gonna make breakfast. I haven't made breakfast for me and Julian in a while. Especially for him. He rarely eats breakfast here because I get up so early and he has to go to my mom's. So I'm gonna make some bacon and eggs, like cheesy eggs. Nothing too fancy. Miss Antoinette, the stylist that I'm going to see, she just called me. We in there. She was like, if you come in, we in there, period. That's all I needed to hear. I'm about to get excited because like, as long as she's down and she wasn't going to cancel, I'll be there. I was like, see you tomorrow, sis. 12 o'clock on the dot, I'll be there. So I just did my self tanner. So I'm gonna let this develop for 3 hours and then I'll get in the shower and rinse it off. I just wanted to be in the light so you can actually see. And I do put it on my face because it's like all natural and it's never, like, it hasn't made me break out or anything. So time to get Zork. I had to puff that one away because I am not gonna cry. Not tears of sadness. That's for motherfucking sure. No. Nope. No. So, moving on. I am going to get in the shower. I was gonna let this develop a little bit longer, but I realized I'm kind of running out of time because I have to like leave. I have to leave at 3 because my wax is at 4. And it's about to be 1. So I have 2 hours to, I mean, that's a lot of time, but still, like, I'm a procrastinator and I like to dilly-dally and take my time. So I have to shower. I need to shave. I'm gonna rinse this off. I'm gonna let my phone charge while I'm in the shower so I have a little juice when I get out so I can film some more. So I just put this on for now. Just my black high-waisted, and this sweater I got from Target the other day, and my boots. And I just have my L necklace on, my earrings. I put the press-ons on. They're really cute. Some rings. That's it. Light beat. I'm not gonna put anything on my lips because, you know, mask, and I'm probably gonna stop and get coffee, so let's get some sun going, see how this makeup looks. Okay, natural. That's what I was going for. Yo, we on our way. Finally. I just dropped Julian off. I had to give him the little pep talk. I always pep talk him when I have to go away from him for a day, more than a day. Because, you know, sometimes I feel like he's caught in between two different worlds when it comes to my parents and me. And I have to let him know, like, you know, that I'm always on his side. I'm going to always choose him regardless. So I'm on my way to get the wax done. Then when I'm done with that, I'm gonna grab a coffee. I'm gonna fill my gas tank and clean out my car. I got some trash in here I need to get rid of. And then I will be on the highway. I gotta get some, I don't know if the tolls, last time I rode this way, the tolls were still, they were billing you, so you didn't need cash, but I'm gonna just make sure I have some just in case. And that will be that. It takes about like an hour 45 from Harrisburg to Philly. So, you know, not too bad of a drive. And then it's about another hour or so, a little over an hour to get from Philly to Brooklyn. I'm excited. I let someone else's negativity bring me down, and I don't know. I got out of it. That's why I didn't film myself getting ready, like doing my makeup and stuff, because that's like my time. You know, like I've said this before. Like, I mean, once I get a camera and I can, you know, use my phone while I'm filming, I'm gonna do that, because then I can film myself getting ready and I won't feel obligated to talk to the camera the whole time, which I don't have a problem doing that at all. I don't want you guys to think that, but it takes longer because I'm talking as I'm doing the makeup. So, you know, and I was already kind of running a little behind, well, not behind, but I had a specific, I don't know which glasses I want to put on. You know, I had a specific time that I wanted to be out of the house, which I did that. You know, I made it. But I know that when I get to sitting down and doing my makeup and talking, and then I'm probably going to be telling you guys what products I'm using and, you know, all of that good stuff, which I'm going to do that for you, but it's going to be on purpose. And I was like, if I put this camera on and start rambling, and I was feeling a little emotional because of the little exchange I had just had, so I was like, if I put this camera on right now, I'm gonna ramble for sure. So I put a YouTube video on. I think I watched Jackie Aina. She did like a Maybelline makeup review. I watched her, and I watched Aaliyah's face, her Vlogmas episode, and somebody else I watched. Oh, I Am Zoe. I watched his Messy Monday. He always is a good laugh, which is from yesterday. Oh, I wonder if my podcast episode dropped, because it's Tuesday. I hope so. That'll be something good to listen to once I get on the highway. But yeah, that's it for now. It's gonna be a little bit till I get to the wax appointment, and I'm probably early, to be honest with you, or I will get there early, but that's okay. I needed to do it. Like, I needed to get in the car and go, because the longer I stayed, like, you know, I kept looking at that message, and I gotta stop letting other people's, you know, fear of flying, you know, stop me. That's not, that your fear about your life or what you have or have not done has nothing to do with me. ain't doing nothing, you know, to put myself in danger. I'm not hoeing, you know, like I'm going on a regular ass less than 3-hour ride to the next state over to get my hair done. And it just so happens that shit's gonna happen, you know, it's falling on the day that it's supposed to snow. That ain't got shit to do with me. This been booked, you know. Tell the snow to stop ruining everybody's lives. Like, my God. My lower back is killing me. I think I'm gonna get a bath bomb or something and, you know, take a bath when I'm in the room, because like it's that bad. My period's coming, so it's like 4 days away now. So I'm like in the thick of the PMS symptoms, you know. And my back normally, it'll be a little tight, you know, but it usually doesn't hurt like this. And I know that it hurts like this because I have not been practicing proper body mechanics at work when it comes to like lifting things. And, you know, my job is very physical. You know, I'm picking the orders that people, you know, and these people, for some reason, they're like stockpiling things. Like, I mean, like, if the world is ending, can y'all let me know? Because damn, like, I picked an order yesterday and they got like 8 packages of 40, I think 36 count water bottles. Whatever the biggest pack of water bottles is that Great Value, the, you know, Walmart brand makes, they got 8 of them. 8, which means I have to go get all of them. And them shits are not light. They're heavy. That's a big ass case of water. Like, I'm like, what are y'all doing? I mean, maybe it was for a business or, you know, I don't know. It could be for anything, but it just is crazy the amount of things that people order. Like the, you know, the actual amount. Like, it's not, oh, a case of water that's 36 bottles, but you got 38 cases of 36 bottles. Like, my God. But, and I knew it yesterday when I was picking them up. I'm like, this is gonna hurt my back. Like, I'm gonna feel this tomorrow, because I just was like throwing them, and, you know, I gotta stop doing that. I try to make sure, like, I try to be mindful and like bend at the knees and, you know, don't put pressure on your back. But like, damn, like, I be in a hurry. I'm just, you know, yeet. Like, that's me and my friend Anna. She's always like, I had to yeet the, you know. But it's true, because like you just use all your forces, like your fucking shot put or like javelin throw or whatever that shit is in the Olympics, you know, that we do in gym class. Like, but it's definitely catching up to me, because I ain't no spring chicken like I used to be. Girl gotta rub some Bengay and shit. I gotta lay down. I'm tired, boss. Nah, I feel good. I run circles around them little hoes at work, them little teenagers. Catch up! They're just, it's not that they're not physically, you know, they're obviously physically equipped to do the job. They're just lazy. They're teenagers. They don't give a fuck. You know, they don't care about their job. Most of the time when they're there, our supervisor's not there. She's done for the day. So they don't give a damn. They're gonna do whatever they want. It's Walmart. The opportunities are endless for shit for you to do, you know, for you to find shit to do aside from your job position. I don't know why this car flashes lights at me. Ain't no cops, and I don't have my lights on because it's daytime. So what you like? But I am going to put my music on and drive, and it's 3:15. I'm taking my time. There's really no hurry. I don't need to be rushing. I need to remind myself that I have plenty of time. It does look like it's gonna snow. Like, it has that look in the air, you know? Like, you know how the sun and the clouds just, they be looking a certain way. East coasters, you know what I'm talking about? Like, it be looking a certain way, like, it's gonna snow. But that's okay, because I'm gonna be safe and sound in my hotel room with my 22 inches. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't believe she called me this morning, too. I was like, yes. Like, I wanted to be like, yes, friend. Yes, bitch. You better call me. And confirm. She was like, oh, so we good. I said, I'll see you at 12. But I'm coming. I'm excited. I'm gonna put some music on. That's gonna lift my spirits even more. I'm gonna jam out a little bit, and I will check in before I go into my appointment. that. Well, you have to. How is this good? I need one of these. Ninjas.
Yeah, I haven't used that. I got it from my mom.
Hello. So, I'm in the room. I just got here. I've been in Philly for I've been here since 6:30. So, but I was hanging out with my friend Ruth. She took care of me. We went and got food, and I hung out at her house, and we had some drinks, and now I'm here at the room, and yeah, I have my drink and the TV. I'm chilling. The room isn't anything fancy, but you know. I'm 35, bitches.
You can pull it off the jack.
I got you.
And your hands get caught under there.
Ugly.
Don't try kicking it, you're just gonna hurt your foot.
Right.
You just gotta put that in. Yeah, that's.
Oh, you cut your hand.
Yeah, because it was so tight. If I
Sorry
slipped it
about that. Cold weather ain't helping shit either.
I hate this
We need to get up out of here.
cold. I'd rather be 300-degree heat than 30-degree cold weather.
Right.
Left that
Hello.
shit coming here.
Do you have it? Or I have the other one. Hold on, it's here. I put it in the wrong pocket.
No, we have to get a new, because I've seen people go to the stores and get those jacks just for that. So it's a real thing. We need to buy that real jack. I don't give a fuck what car it is. It ain't no way in hell that shit would have lifted just because he couldn't do it. When he got right here, didn't you hear the shit go, you didn't hear that? Wow. Why do you think he wouldn't got his own jack?
I don't know.
It wasn't because
I thought because he didn't like that one.
No, it wasn't because of that. It's because when he got, remember it was rising for a minute.
Yeah. And then I thought he just was like, fuck this, I have a better one, you know?
No, this shit was, that shit was going, please believe it. Believe it, please.
Thank you. You can order a hash brown. Morning. It is Vlogmas day 18. It's Thursday, December 17th, day after my birthday. My birthday was yesterday. Yesterday was a day. I'm gonna talk about it later because I'm in a hurry now. I'm about to leave and go get some food, but I just wanted to check in. I didn't get to film because literally everything that could have went wrong yesterday did, aside from me actually making it there to get my hair done. So yeah, I just wanted to check in. I will be sitting down and telling you guys all about it from A to B later on today. So yeah, I love it though. It looks so good. I'll talk to you later. Good morning. Vlogmas day 18, I think. Yeah, 16, 17, 18, yeah. back to work, back to regular life. My trip was, I mean, it was successful, and don't judge how I look today because I didn't really do anything with it, but I'm gonna do a more in-depth review so you guys can really see, because she did such a good job. But the day of the appointment was crazy. Like, I'm just having coffee and my Belvita snacks that I bring with me. I am in very, very low spirits today. My period is making her way into my life any minute now, and I just hate everything right now. So it's not a good time to be trying to talk about feeling pretty, because I don't. I feel like a bag of shit. So I'm going to try to edit everything down that I have, and put something out today, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today's Friday, so I'll do Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or something like that. But I'm just gonna put everything together that I have, because I couldn't, it was just so crazy. I couldn't even vlog the way that I had anticipated. Like, I'm just so upset about that. Like, I really had big plans for how I was gonna set this all up and make it look, but you know, the universe. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not gonna say too much else today, because I'm not feeling this today, and you guys know I can't fake the funk if I'm not, like, my heart's not in it today. I'm sorry that I'm not as more excited about this than I literally can't help it. Like, I don't feel it. It's my period, and I'm just not. I'm tired too. I haven't slept a lot. I'm tired, so that always makes me crankier and meaner, but she did such a good job. It blends so well. Like, if my hair held a curl, you really wouldn't be able to tell which one's mine, but mine just doesn't hold a curl for shit. But I'm really happy with it. But yeah, we'll talk later. I'm gonna finish my coffee and go back to work.